This is nighttime out here, Petaluma, California. Now my phone doesn't show that it's light. My phone actually shows it's dark. So I guess the sun has to be really down for it to show dark. This is my backyard. Anyways, today I got my GAMO G FORCE 177 caliber break barrel pellet rifle. It's got peep sights on it, like an assault rifle. You know, look down there at the sights. So, right there. Anyways, I don't know. It's probably got like 19 pounds of cocking effort, probably. It has a manual safety right there and a pretty good trigger. At least it's pretty good to me. It's got Picatinny rail on it. These sights are removable. The way you adjust them is on the left side is your elevation right here, and in the middle right here is this little wheel, and you move it clockwise to go down and counterclockwise to move it up. And I don't remember which way it was up and down on this one. Anyways, it's made in Spain. And I got it on Midway USA for $34. Has the paperwork for a GAMO warranty and all that stuff. I just shot a few shots, sighting it in at 20 feet. That's like gopher range for me. It's supposed to shoot 750 feet per second with alloy, probably 500 feet per second with lead. Anyway, I started up there, went the wrong way, and got it back down to there. I just set the sights again, so I don't know if it's going to be on the bullseye exactly or not, but that's my last 3 shots before I set the sights down a little bit. So I'm going to show you the next shot grip. Here we go. I'm going to shoot like probably like right over in here at the, I'm going to move this a little bit. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to shoot like right in here. That way, right in there, something like that. Okay, now you can see it. There. That's my hand getting in the way. I have to do it at an angle so I don't shoot the darn phone. Okay. Yeah, so I'm going to shoot like right here and right here. I'll do like 5 shots in each one. I'm using GAMO red fire pellets with a GAMO gun. GAMO's spoiled about using their ammunition, you know, for the warranties. I think that's a bunch of BS. The gun's a little heavy, so it feels real good to hold. It's real easy to break open. It's a spring piston. I've got video going right now.
Where is it?
Right here. This is pretty cool. You want to shoot a couple?
I didn't put a picture in.
What are you going to do with it?
Just in the front of the time.
Oh, in the red zipper of my backpack, the keys are there, plus there's some more keys up in the pump house. And most likely it's in the ones in the pump house.
Well, maybe for next time I'll look.
Alright.
I gotta get going.
I'm not being too consistent, but I'm having fun. I was just talking to my daughter. One more. You want to try it? Let me see. Alright, that one had a little more left. I know that. Oh, it is on the bullseye, some of it. I'm missing some. But I got some in the bullseye right there. And I got one or two down there. Alright, so I'm going to be a little more careful now. And I'm going to shoot right here. 5 shots. Wish me luck. One more. That should do it. Okay, take a look at that. I shot a little bit left. That's okay. It's nighttime. But what a good group, huh? Whoa! I was being a little more careful. There's 5 shots. 3 together and then 2 right down below it. That is pretty darn good. There's 3 shots there together. And there's 2 down below, 2 above it, and 1 above that. So that shot group is really good. And that one too. So that's the GAMO G FORCE 177 caliber break barrel, junior rifle, manual safety. It is nice and sturdy. I don't know if a little kid would want to carry this around hunting or not, but I like it. I'm going to put like a laser on the side and maybe a flashlight, like a torch, you know, or something like that. And who knows? Might wind up with a nice little assault rifle type break barrel. Seems to be pretty accurate. So I know the GAMO, what's it called? TAC or something like that. I have M4 TAC or something. Anyways, this is almost like that, but this is a lot heavier. Pretty cool for $34 on MidwayUSA.com. They still have some left.